Hello, hello, hello. It is Lamiel, the money goddess, and the manifesting bitch from Lamiel.com. And I am here, one, because I'm committed to giving you guys new content every day for the rest of this year. And today I want to talk to you. So I'll upload daily. Don't have a time yet, but I'm going to upload for you guys daily information. And below this video is my Instagram and my Facebook. Please follow. If you are new here, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for dedicating some of your time and energy to hearing what I have to say. If you find that, any value in the content that I'm sharing, please like the video. If you want to get information on credit empowerment, income and wealth building strategies, and manifesting money every day of the week, then hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you get the notifications. And so let's get started. So what I want to talk to you guys today about is twofold. So it's about credit, but it's also an income source, and it is a new program that I put together called the Credit Empowerment Agent Certification Program. And there are so many of you out there, and I get so many emails and messages on YouTube and DMs and Instagram and things like that. And there's a lot of you that are genuinely interested in credit repair. So for those of you who have watched my channel for a while, you know I did not start off as a credit repair, specialist. I have become a self-taught credit repair specialist through working with myself, for friends, and now I've had over 3,000 students come through my programs, and mainly one program, and then so probably more like 5,000 students come through all of the different programs that I have. And I have met some men and women that are really, really passionate about helping people and are obsessed with the process of credit repair and really how, when you do this, it changes people's lives. And if you are on the journey yourself to repairing your credit, you can envision, what is it going to be like when I've got a 700 credit score or an 800 credit score? What kind of moves can I make? What kind of shit can I buy? What kind of what places can I go to? So having your credit together is like everything. And I'm actually going to put also the link to my Instagram, because I'm going to um, I want you to see Cynthia Bailey from the Atlanta Housewives and what she has to say about getting your shit together, right? You know what I mean? Like, you want to be a businesswoman, you want to be making moves, you want to buy houses, you want to buy things, you want to go places, you want to do things. Having your credit together is important. And being a vehicle for people to make that type of change in their lives is an extremely gratifying and satisfying experience. And again, if you are just meeting me and this is the first video you've ever watched, I got into credit repair and this aspect of things accidentally. I help people manifest money. And one of the biggest blocks, that I even had as I started to try to manifest money in my own life was that my credit was shit. And it was taking a long time. And I really believed in the society system that I had to have better credit to have better things. And yes, to some degree that you do. But I didn't have to go about it the way that everybody says you're supposed to go about it. I found a workaround and some really great loops and tips and things like that that helped me clear my credit, get my score up. I had two 800 credit scores in less than 8 months. I had moved into my first beautiful house, and since then I've lived in like 8,000 square feet homes and acres of land, and I've done 8 bedrooms, and all kinds of really amazing things have happened. I screwed up, I started over, and so I know that this system works. And because credit is really not my passion, helping people manifest money is really what my passion is. And in addition, so I have the credit empowerment system. This is the credit empowerment show, right? I also have income empowerment because even with good credit, you have to have the income that justifies having a higher level of credit lines available to you. But at the end of the day, what I really love to do is help people manifest money, whether it's through their income, their current income, starting businesses, just changing their mindset and shifting their financial blocks. And so when I started shifting my financial blocks, I discovered ways to clear my credit and get my score up that were non-traditional. And so my system is based on that. Okay. And for people who really want to get into this industry, who want to help people, like my first year, again, this not being my main focus, my first year, I added these programs to my system. It brought in an additional $60,000. My puppy is, can you go see what she's doing? Learning to be a protection dog. So it added an additional $60,000 to what I was already bringing in for my business of manifesting money. And so I have fine-tuned that system, and I have created a certification program for men and for women who really want a turnkey business system. I have now just over 15 agents. Half of them are active. I've taken them in small groups of 5 initially because I wanted to make sure that the system was working for them, that they had clients, that they were able to service their clients, and that we had everything in place and kind of work out our bugs. That our first group is doing phenomenal. It's mind-blowing, okay? And I did that additional 60,000 with no advertising. And so advertising and marketing is included in my training. So when you add all of these elements together, like there's no stopping you. This is an amazing turnkey business opportunity. And so for me, it's a scaling, right? Because I can help more people improve their credit, level up on their lives. If I have agents out there that are using the system that I have developed to help other people, I can help more people and I can help them faster. So that's the scaling of my business. But for people who need to start a business, who need a source of income, who need to work from home, don't necessarily computer savvy, but understand the importance of relationships, because repairing credit and helping people change their lives is very, very relational. Okay, it's not about, do you know computers, what kind of systems you can use. It's not about any of that. You can do this business with files and papers, because that's how I started. Okay, and I had hundreds of clients just on my my pink file system. Right, here's one, an old one. But just using the pink file system, and I had paper clips and post-it notes, and it worked awesome until I got people to help me, and then I moved everything to an online system, which is also shared in the training. But this is a turnkey business. The training is like none other. I've taken in a few people who have been certified and trained as credit agents by other companies, and they just don't get the same support. Okay, learning how to clear someone's credit, once you learn it and you have the steps, and with my system you have the steps, really it's all about, like, okay, what does this person need? The system says do this, I do that, check. The system says do that, I do that, check. Like, it's not brain surgery. Okay, but what you're really providing is the service of relating to someone and understanding their situation and helping them step by step get through it, right? And then if you come across something that you haven't experienced before, then you have myself and my staff to call on to say, I have a client that's doing A, B, C, and D, and I did X, Y, and Z, and so this was the results. What should my next step be? And so you have an amazing support system, right? You learn how to repair credit, and you learn how to set up and run your business. Okay, this is not direct sales. This is not the box in the bag, or bag and business in a box, whatever the hell. Some of those companies, I've done direct sales. I've been director, so I know how that works. And some of that training is beneficial, and I will pass that on to you. But for the most part, this is about, if you are a person who understands relationships, if if you're a person who is easy to talk to, if you are a person who has a genuine desire to help other people and make a lot of money doing it, okay? Learning how to be free, because just like I'm scaling, once you're ready, you would be able to scale. Then this program is for you, and I would love, love, love to have you. The program is doing so well. I thought that I was going to close in June for agents and have 15 agents probably through the year. Turns out it is doing so well, and we've gotten such a phenomenal response. I am leaving it open until the 1st of July. So, and really the first weekend through July to make sure everybody's processed through. But we're going to take a group of 25 agents and train you, get you all set up so that, you know, by the end of the summer, by the end of July, first part of August, you're ready to rock and roll. And we even provide leads for you, thousands of leads for you to get started with. And even before your training is over, you will be ready to start marketing and promoting yourself and making yourself available for people who want your services and your products. So, if this sounds like something that you want to do, I would love to hear from you. The links to this program are down below. To the certification program are down below. My social media, all of that is here in the description box. So I just had that song, Kim Possible, you know, Call Me, Beat Me. So click the links. You know, find me on social media, send me a message on my website if you are interested. We're only going to do 25, and we're not going to do any more until fall. So we're talking about like October, possibly. And that's not guaranteed, because at this point I'm doing it based on what my credit agents are needing, and depending on where they are in their development, will determine whether or not I open up for more. And because we're going to be going into the holidays, I may just take that time off. So it's not guaranteed, but for all of you who have inquired, who I've talked to, who have seen the post and were wondering if it was right for you, now is the time to contact me. Let's have a quick conversation, see if it's a good fit. The program right now is still on sale. It is at $400. This training system is going to be $800 after this session. And so with that $800, you get personal one-on-one training sessions with me, you get my complete training session, you get all the upgrades and access to all new information as we grow, as we develop, copies of absolutely everything you need to run your business, and video and written content on how to do credit repair, how to do CPNs, how to get people guaranteed lines of credit, like absolutely everything that you're going to see in the certification program, if you click the link below, is going to be available for you. And right now, that's half price, because it is still new, because I want to make sure that, you know, we've got all the kinks out of it. I want to make sure that it is what I promised and that everybody is doing well. And then we will take seasonal agents at the full price, you know, starting the end of the year next year. So if you want to get in, I do have a payment plan available, and so you would need to be ready when you contact me. If you are asking for a payment plan, you need to be ready to put something down to hold your space, and then you'll be given time to pay the full deposit amount, and then you'll be able to make biweekly payments until it is paid off. So right now there's no excuses. Okay, we talk about getting on the right side of money, and this is a turnkey business. For a lot of you that don't like the sales, and I have all these systems where you have online businesses and you're selling and you're drop shipping and those types of things. If those things weren't for you, and working with people and getting some gratification from working with people and knowing that you've changed their lives, this may be for you. And if it is, you're going to want to get in on this right now, because those that are in this system are having amazing results, better than what I had projected in my mind. So if you'd like to work with me, if you'd like to be a certified credit empowerment agent, click those links below and send me a message or go to the website and sign up. My daughter is over here looking at me. She's giving me the side eye. She thinks I can't see her. But um, so join us, join the team, join our family, because that's what we really, really are. I would love to hear from you. I would love to answer your questions. I would love to have you as part of our team. Talk to you soon, and I will see you guys tomorrow.